Hello, in this lecture we'll take a look at the local storage and the session storage. Now these two are very important because this is the way you store your data for a longer period of time. The session storage will be deleted or will be cleared when the browser is closed. When the whole browser is closed, that is when the session storage is deleted. Okay, and the local storage is never really deleted unless the user cleans the resources on their browser. So these are used to store, say, for example, login data, or maybe access tokens, or maybe various kinds of properties of your site, color schemes and stuff like that. These are very important. Obviously, you probably have heard about cookies, and you may use cookies, but this is more of a modern approach, more of a reliable approach and easier approach, I would say. Now, if we take a look at this example, the local storage comes first. We have just a few sample functions showing here. So basically, if you want to access the local storage, you do local storage. Notice the capital S in the storage and the lowercase l in the local. We have set item first. Set item sets the item, okay, and you will need for that one a key and a value. So that is a key value pair. So you have two arguments. One is the key, the other one is the value. It's all a string, okay, but obviously you can store other data types as string. Now the second one is remove item. In this one you only need the ID or the key for that particular item, okay, and you will delete it. And then the next one is the get item, that you will only need a key, okay, you only need a key, and it actually returns the value. It returns the value, so it might be a string, a number, whatever it is, it will simply return a value. The last one is clear. What this will do is it will clear all of these items for that particular website. So if you do need to do that kind of a clearance, that is what you will use. And for the session storage, it is actually the same, and do notice the lowercase s in the session and the uppercase in the storage. And then once again we have set item, remove item, get item, and then clear. Those functions work exactly the same as you see in the local storage. And with that, we will conclude this lecture.